Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be replacing the primer bulb on this Weed Eater or Weed Wacker. It's an Echo model, but I think usually the fix is similar to any other Weed Wacker. That's the priming bulb. It's cracked. It's the original that came with it, and it's cracked and we need to replace it. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Again, here's a close-up look to the primer bulb. As you can see, not sure if you can see it, it is cracked and it won't prime properly, so it's time to replace it. First thing, take off the cover to the filter, and again, like I said, this is the Echo model, and you may have a Weed Wacker that's slightly different. To get to the bulb, these are the steps I need to take. As you can see, it's grimy and dirty behind the cover, and this is a perfect opportunity to do some cleanup while we're at it. Now that the obstruction is out the way, we have access to the plate that holds the priming bulb and access to the screws. 4 screws hold it, so just undo the screws. And that's the bulb, and as you can see now properly that it is cracked and it was time to replace it. So I got myself onto Amazon and got the correct primer bulbs. They come in a pack of 3. I'll put a link in the description of the channel if you're interested. Just make sure it's the right size, and to do that, just hold it against the original. Make sure the width is the same. That looks about right. Just put the bulb back on and put the holding plate on top of the bulb, and then screw the 4 screws in. And finally, let's prime it and see what happens. Make sure there are no leaks. And that seems to be doing its job, and there are no leaks, so let's go outside and turn it on. If you enjoyed the content, please think about subscribing to the channel if you haven't. Leave a comment, leave a like, tell me what you like, what you didn't like, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks.